Alrighty, this is the elevator here. It's a brand new, at the brand new, restaurant called Burger Farm. I wonder what kind this is.
I know they have a posted.
Man, this must be a hydraulic elevator. Yeah, this must be hydraulic. Oh my gosh, look at how small this thing is. Alright, we can go up. Please. Yeah, this is definitely a hydraulic. Let's go back down to one. I have no idea what kind of elevator this is. I mean, I don't know what kind of company made this elevator. And it is so dang slow. I'm guessing it might be like one of those elevators, like one of those like unknown elevators. This is very short. Man, this thing is hydraulic. Can you believe how? Alright. We're here at 1. Let's go back up to 2. We close the door. Come on. Oh. Man, this is a long door timer for a short elevator. Let me show you how short this thing is. This thing is so short. Take a look at the floor though, I mean, nice. But this thing is so short. And the panel is right here. Can I really hear the motor? I don't think this one has like a loud motor like Schindler or ThyssenKrupp. Let's go back down to 1. Come on, close. Long door timer for a small elevator. There we go. Jeez. So there's your beautiful blue lantern up there. There's your indicator. Fire service. Your blue fixtures right here. Don't know what brand. This is a nice elevator, but I would like to see who made this. Check out the ceiling up there, it's nice and black. Everything is all nice and pretty much brand new. The fixtures here look brand new. I don't know when they finished this, but this was like, I'm thinking probably a few days ago they opened. Like when I get out here, I'll show you how. Take a look how tiny this thing is. This thing is so tiny.
That's okay, I got you.
Man, door timer for a very long, short elevator. There it goes, and that's it.